Ibn Ata'Allah al-Sakandari says one of the beautiful saying. He says, if you want to have the pride that never fades, do not seek the pride that fades. People all the times try to be in a high position, to have that pride of themselves, to be proud of themselves. That's normal. It's in ourselves. We love that. We need that. However, sometimes we may try to reach that pride by seeking it through other people, through other things. Sometimes people buy things just to be happy, or just to have that idea that I can own things, or they try to get close to some people, certain people, to feel comfortable, to feel happy. But according to Ibn Ata'Allah, nothing of that can rest. Nothing of that can make us be proud of ourselves, and nothing of that can make us happy, because it's fate. No one can stay, and the only one who will stay is God. He's the one who had that feature. So if we are looking for that pride, we will find it in Him, in His closeness, to be close to Him and to be aware of what God means. That's the pride that we should look on for. And for sure, the people who have this concept, awareness, they behave with everyone in the same way. Every person for them have the same dignity, have the same pride, and deserve the same situation, like the same comportement, the same behavior, the same treatment. That's how this kind of people who are aware of this meaning behave. They don't look to others in degrees. They look at them in the same way, because for them, the only one who can give them pride is God. So for them, they try to behave in the same way for everyone, with everyone, so they reach that pride, because God taught them to treat people in the same way. That's one of the impacts of this meaning, of this awareness. Thank you so much.